Welcome to the How To series. You are watching the second video in this series. Today I am going to show you how to use a glow stick. I got a glow stick from Walmart. So let's find out how to use it. So just unwrap the glow stick from the cover, and this is the glow stick that I got. So what you need to do is you just need to bend it and shake it. There is a liquid inside this, if you could see it. So there is a liquid inside it. You should shake it until it lights up. So let's find out. So let me turn off the light. I'll be back. This is how it will glow up. I'm not sure how long it's going to light up. I'll put it in the description. You can find it from the description later. Thank you for watching this video. Do watch out for some photos, interesting photos based on this light. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Bye.